Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So hope you guys are washing your hands often and also isolating yourself at home. Please be safe. So today's tutorial is just going to be on how to make a gather skirt, 2 ways in which you can make a gather skirt. So firstly, I'll go ahead and find out how much fabric I'll be working with. This particular fabric came in 4 yards, yeah, but I made the top for the skirt, so I took out 1.5 yards for the top, and I think I'm left with 2.5 yards and 3 inches. Yeah, I guess so. Let's find that out. So after I am done finding out how much fabric I am going to be working with, I'll go ahead and show you guys 2 ways in which you can make a gather skirt. So the first way in which you can gather your fabric is you go ahead and sew 2 lines on your fabric from the edge. Just if you want to, go ahead and rule a line so that you can sew on those lines, you should. So but then your stitches should be loose stitches. If you're using a manual machine like I am, you adjust your machine to 7 or below 7, and then you sew loose stitches on those lines. From the beginning of the fabric to the end of the fabric, you sew loose stitches. You can see before I started sewing my loose stitches, I make sure I left a little bit of thread or a lot of thread, so I can be able to drag from the thread. I can be able to drag this, and then my fabric is going to gather. Once you're done sewing your loose stitches on those 2 lines, now you go ahead now and drag from the thread you left out. Remember to leave out some thread so you can use it to drag. So now you drag it gently so it does not break, it does not cut along the line. So you drag gently and gather your fabric from there. Way for you to gather your skirt again is by using an elastic band. Now I have this elastic band, is 37 inches long. So now I'm going to use this elastic band now to gather my fabric together. So while I am sewing the elastic band on my fabric, I will stretch the elastic band to its limit, and then I will sew while stretching it. And then while I am doing this, it will automatically gather the fabric together. Okay guys, let me show you what I mean. Okay, right now I am sewing the elastic band on my fabric. Can you see the way after sewing, like while I am sewing the elastic on my fabric, I am stretching the elastic band to its limit? Can you see the way it shrinks everything back in? Yeah, so it is helping you gather the fabric with no stress, like just while you're sewing and stretching the elastic band to its limit. As soon as you're done sewing that spot and you're moving to the next, it shrinks everything back in. Okay guys, so yeah, once you're done using the elastic band to gather your fabric, this is the result you get. Can you see how everything is smoothly gathered? Yup, very easy. That is what the elastic band does for you. Very easy and no stress. Everything is well gathered. Now I'll be moving on to attaching my band to this. Okay guys, so I went ahead to cut out fabric already for the band, and this fabric is 36 inches long and 5 inches wide. Why 5 inches wide? Because I'm going to be taking in 1/2 inch on the top and the bottom of this fabric, and then once I am done taking in 1/2 inch in, I will fold this fabric into 2. Yep, that's 2 inches. That means we're getting 2 inches or worth of a band. So this is how I will be attaching the band to this fabric. Make sure you recognize where the wrong side of the fabric is and the right side, because we'll be attaching it firstly from the wrong side. So now I will place my band on the fabric from the wrong side and then sew from there 1/2 inch. Once I am done attaching to the wrong side, this is how I'll be closing this band to the skirt. I will flip this band now to the wrong side. That's on the edge of the band. I'll flip it to the wrong side and sew by 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch, just a tiny bit. And then once I am done sewing that part, this part right here, I'll flip it back to the right side now and sew this band now to the skirt, like together now to the skirt. I'll be top stitching the band now to the skirt. So if you're watching me for the first time and you're not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go right ahead and click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you can get notification whenever a new video is being uploaded. Trust me, you will want to get those notifications because new videos are coming, more interesting stuff are coming. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I want to see your like, you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, and also you can comment on the comment section below. So let's get right back into the video. Okay guys, my round waist is 30 and 30 divided into 2 is 15. So I'll go ahead and fold this fabric into 2 and then calculate 15 and chalk where 15 stops. And then the remaining parts of fabric I have, I'll be using that as my zip allowance. And as you can see, I think I have just half an inch left. So that is what I'll be using as my zip allowance. I'll be attaching my zip to that half an inch left. So yeah, I'll go ahead and chalk half an inch from the beginning of the fabric to the end. And then before that, I'll take my point for where I want my zip to stop, and that should be 8 inches. So I'll chalk down 8 inches, and then from below that, I'll just chalk out half an inch straight down and sew that in while leaving my zip allowance open for me to attach my zip. For the slit I have in front of my skirts, I'll go ahead now and measure out where I want the slit to stop. I want it to stop at my 15 inches from my waist point. So I'll chalk out 15 inches from my waist point, and then from the base of the fabric, I'll just use my scissors and then open this up. Take this to my machine and hem by half an inch in, or hem this both on the slit side and then on the base of the fabric. Once I am done achieving that, you guys, this is it. This is how you get your gathered skirt. Wasn't that very easy? Yeah, so for the newbies, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then for the frequent viewers I have, please hope you do like this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Yep, I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Please stay safe. Please wash your hands and stay away from people. Isolate yourself. I love you guys. I'll be seeing you on my next video. Bye.